This is a glow-in-the-dark frisbee, and my dog is going to catch it. His name is Timber, and he's black, so you're not going to see him. But there it is. Okay, Timby! There he is. You see him right there? So I can put some light on him. You hear him? Can't see him. He's a black dog. But here we go. We're going to throw the frisbee and he's going to catch it. Ready? Come on, Timber. Ready? Go get it. Look at that. He caught it. Come on, Timber. Good boy. It's an automatic frisbee. Come on. Hey, you ready? You ready? You ready? Go get it. Come on, buddy. Good boy.